I have done a few air filter change videos on this channel, but a lot more of them were done off camera. You will find the video links in the description, but today's video will be on one of the easiest air filter change process done on this Royal Enfield Classic 350. To begin with, we have to open this right side panel. The good thing is you don't have to open any screws or bolts. The ignition key does the job and opens the panel, where you directly get access to the air filter. The air filter is bolted and secured by this metal plate. The bolt can be opened by using a 10mm socket or a spanner. It's a long threaded bolt, so it might exceed your 1 minute air filter change goal. The best thing about Enfields is that almost everything you work on is metal, which gives you a big confidence to work. The same thing again has a downside, as keeping the motorcycle free from rust and corrosion is a big task. The metal plate and the bolt is out, and finally you can just pull the old air filter out of its place. The Classic 350 uses a viscous paper type air filter. The difference in the new and the old air filter can be seen here. Fix the new air filter inside and secure it with the bolt and the metal plate. Once the air filter is secured, close and lock the side panel. Thanks to Royal Enfield for making this easy for the riders. Now if you want to learn more and take this ahead with an oil and oil filter change, then you will find a dedicated and detailed video in this video description. And I hope this quick DIY video will be liked by riders.